Mr. Friedman, let's talk about, of course, the campuses that we have here in Phoenix that you had to close because of course, going to online with the coronavirus going on. How was that?
Well, we have three Phoenix area campuses. We have two in Mesa, one in North Phoenix, and it was a pretty monumental shift from on-ground training, taking our students to distance education. Although we offer distance education as a platform, our students that attend classes on ground had to make that transition very quickly, literally within a period of days. So to them, it was a little bit shocking. Fortunate for us, we have a pretty strong group of faculty that held their hands through the process and made it, I guess, as seamless as possible, but it's far from seamless.
Yeah, well, let's talk because it wasn't just our campuses here. You had to do all your campuses, and it was quite a few people, am I right?
Yeah, we have approximately 8,300 students that are training on ground, plus a distance education division. So we offer training in 8 different states among 18 campuses. The campuses we have in the Phoenix area are very much mirroring the other campuses that we have.
Yeah. Now, did you guys even think that already some of your students would be helping out in the community with everything going on right now?
Well, we have quite a few students that perform part of their training on what's called clinical externship. So they're already in the hospitals or in doctors' offices, dental offices, and so on. So when the COVID crisis hit, the students were impacted immediately, both being called into action to help, but also because of the nature of the spread and how quickly it spread, students were asked to leave their clinical sites right away, especially when the state governor's orders came down for stay at home. Needless to say, the students had to leave those locations for just their own safety.
Yeah, and I think right now you guys are very important for those who are looking to further education, who want to get in the medical field, because we are short on medical people right now. So you guys are still offering, of course, to start your classes right now.
We are definitely still offering classes right now, and I would say that the students have gained an element of importance that they perhaps didn't have before. Hearing about respiratory therapists and medical assistants and x-ray technician and nurses in the field right now, and the fact that they are being hailed as the local current heroes, I think brings the importance of the training that our students are going through to a completely different level. I think they feel very good about themselves right now, and so they should.
Yeah. What I like also too about your institute is that you have an array of fields that people can do if they want to go from, of course, like you said, just a small part of the medical field to fully going in, and that's what you guys want people to understand, and you're offering them.
Yeah, we offer short programs like a phlebotomy program. It only takes 13 weeks to get trained as a phlebotomist. Up to 2-year associate degree program and even bachelor degree programs. So students have an opportunity to not only get involved in the healthcare field, but to advance their degree standing so that they can put themselves in a position to take on greater responsibilities, move up in the field, and literally sink their teeth into what it is to become a healthcare professional.
All right. I know people right now sitting at home and they're probably going, hey, this is a great idea. So how can they, of course, get a hold of you?
Well, of course, students can apply to pmi.edu, our website. There's lots of information on the website about the various career options. Also fill out a form that would allow someone to get in touch and provide all information that a student might need, a prospective student might need to consider all the variety of programs that we offer. We offer 28 different programs through our school. So whether it's a short-term program or a longer-term bachelor degree program, there are healthcare options for anyone interested in getting into the field.
Great. Well, thank you very much, and I appreciate you stopping by there as on a Daily Mix.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, Brad.